Hindi. Yung blue yung housing, di ba?
Opo.
Pero yung loob niyan, kumakalawang. Ayun ako. Sige. Lagyan ng strainer ha. Anang bakal. Ukitin yung two sides. Nakatayong ganon. So yung lulusot lang doon tubig. This is the future computer room. This room will house the computer. And Mark, nasan yung ilaw dito? Electric fan. Ay, okay. Tigas ha. Shelving system na lang. Sige. I need to see if it's a good computer. Has to dry hindi pwedeng basa. Hey Sal. Okay, Hazel, let's go. Binuksan ko yung aircon na testing natin.